if you want to build wealth, retire early, or simply stop living paycheck to paycheck. It all comes down to one thing: how you invest. But here's the truth no one tells you. There are levels to investing. And just like in a video game, each level has its own rules, risks, and rewards. Today, we'll be breaking down the 5 levels of investment mastery. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you are and what you need to do next. Stay locked in. This could change your financial future. Before we jump in, smash that like button if you're serious about taking control of your money. Hit subscribe for weekly videos on investing, wealth building, and financial freedom, delivered straight to you. Now, let's dive into Level 1. Level 1. Saver Stage. This is where most people start. The saver stage, you're not investing yet. You're just trying to build discipline around saving money. At this stage, the goal isn't to get rich, it's to get stable. You open a high-yield savings account. You build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. It's not flashy, but this is your foundation. Without it, you won't survive the higher levels. Level 2. Beginner Investor. Once you've got some money saved, it's time to become a beginner investor. You start learning about basic investment vehicles. 401s and Roth IRAs, index funds, and ETFs. Dollar cost averaging. At this level, the focus is on consistency over complexity. You're not trying to time the market or pick hot stocks. You're simply putting a portion of your income into diversified, long-term assets. Automatically. And the crazy part, most millionaires are built right here, because wealth is a result of time, not tricks. Level 3. Strategic Investor. Welcome to Level 3. The Strategic Investor. You've been in the game a while, and now you're looking for leverage. You might start researching real estate, experimenting with REITs, or creating a tax strategy with your CPA. This is where people begin to diversify intelligently. Not just across assets, but across income streams. You realize that building wealth is about systems, not hustle. The strategic investor uses automation, analytics, and long-term vision to make smart moves. Level 4. Advanced Investor. Now you're in rare territory. The advanced investor. You're not just investing. You're allocating capital with purpose. This might include private equity, pre-IPO, investments, business acquisitions, advanced real estate syndications, international asset diversification. You're no longer just reacting to markets. You're replaying chess while others play checkers. You're optimizing for taxes, time, and generational wealth. This is where your network matters more than your net worth. Level 5. Investor as a Creator. Finally, the top level, the Investor as a Creator. This is when you stop only investing in other systems and start building your own. You create your own brand, launch a business, build your own product, property, or platform. You become an asset. At this stage, you're not chasing wealth, you're engineering it. This is how people like Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and Jeff Bezos got rich, not from investing in stocks, but by creating value at scale. You don't have to be famous, but you do have to think like a producer, not just a consumer. Closing. Where are you? So where are you on this ladder? Are you just getting your emergency fund in place? Are you stacking index funds every month? Or are you building your empire from scratch? No matter where you are, the most important thing is that you keep moving forward. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built. If this video helped you understand your level and where to go next, hit that like button to support the channel. Drop a comment. I am on level, your level, and I am moving up. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial education that's real, practical, and actionable. Remember, the earlier you level up, the faster you reach freedom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.